Is your pasta secretly judging you? What if I told you that the way you've been making your favorite comfort food might be all wrong? In this video, we're diving deep into the saucy secrets of pasta perfection. Get ready to discover 15 surprising ways you've probably been cooking pasta wrong, and trust me, your taste buds will thank you. 1. Using a pot that's too small. Ever notice your pasta clumping together like shy teenagers at a dance? The culprit is often a pot that's too small. Pasta needs space to swim and swirl. A cramped pot lowers the water temperature too much, leading to gummy, sad strands. Think of it like this. Would you want to share a tiny kiddie pool with a dozen of your friends? Nope. Give your pasta room to flourish. 2. Not enough salt or the wrong kind. This is a big one. Many people barely salt their pasta water, or they use table salt. Here's the deal. The water should taste like the ocean, really salty. We're talking at least 1 to 2 tablespoons of kosher salt or sea salt for every gallon of water. This is your first and best chance to flavor the pasta from the inside out. Don't worry, the pasta won't absorb all of it. Hey, hold on, you haven't subscribed to Juli Foodies Hub, have you? Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more mind-blowing cooking hacks. 3. The barely covered blender. You might think as long as the pasta's underwater, you're good to go, right? Think again. Many home cooks make the barely covered blender, using just enough water to submerge their pasta. But here's the juicy secret. Pasta needs a generous amount of water to cook properly. We're talking at least 4 to 6 quarts or liters for every pound, about 500 g of pasta. Why so much? Well, that abundant water helps keep the temperature consistent, prevents sticking, and gives the pasta plenty of space to release its starches without getting gummy. It's like trying to do laundry in a teacup. You need enough water for proper circulation and cleaning. 4. Not bringing the water to a rolling boil. Patience, my friend, is a virtue, especially when boiling water. You need a vigorous, rolling boil before you even think about adding your pasta. If the water isn't hot enough, the pasta will just absorb water and become mushy instead of cooking evenly. It's like trying to run a marathon without warming up. You're just asking for trouble. 5. Stirring immediately or not stirring enough. Here's a subtle one that makes a huge difference. Don't just dump the pasta in and walk away. Give it a good stir within the first minute or two of adding it to the boiling water. This prevents the initial sticking. However, don't overdo it. Constant stirring isn't necessary once it's separated. Stick with us until the end of this video, and I promise to reveal something absolutely fascinating about pasta's history that will make you look at your next meal completely differently. 6. Overcooking your pasta. The dreaded mushy pasta. This is probably the most common mistake. We've all been there. Pasta should be al dente, which means to the tooth firm but with a slight bite. It shouldn't be hard in the middle, but it definitely shouldn't be soft and flabby. Always follow package directions, but taste it a minute or two before the suggested cooking time to ensure perfection. 7. Rinsing your cooked pasta. Are you surprised? Don't be, because it gets even weirder. Rinsing cooked pasta under cold water is a cardinal sin. It washes away the starchy film that helps your sauce stick to the pasta. Unless you're making a cold pasta salad, resist the urge to rinse. This starchy water is liquid gold for your sauce. 8. Draining all the pasta water. Hold up. Before you dump every last drop of that precious starchy water down the drain, grab about a cup of it. This liquid gold is your secret weapon for making a silky, emulsified sauce. The starch in the water helps bind the sauce to the pasta, giving you that restaurant-quality finish. We'll reveal something strange about where pasta got its name later in the video. 9. Not finishing pasta in the sauce. This is where the secret happens. Once your pasta is al dente, drain it, reserving some pasta water, and immediately add it to your pan of sauce. Toss it for a minute or two, letting the pasta absorb all those delicious flavors. This also allows the pasta to finish cooking and marry with the sauce. It's like putting on a cozy sweater after a bath. It just feels right. 10. Using the wrong pasta shape for your sauce. Think about it. Thick, chunky sauces love short, robust shapes like rigatoni or fusilli that can hold onto all that goodness. Delicate, smooth sauces pair beautifully with long, thin strands like spaghetti or linguine. It's like choosing the right tool for the job. You wouldn't use a hammer to screw in a nail. Feel free to spread the pasta wisdom. If you found this information helpful, share this video with your fellow foodies and click that like button. 11. Not tasting your pasta water. This sounds basic, but it's crucial. Remember how we said the water should taste like the ocean? Taste it. If it's bland, add more salt. This is your first and best chance to flavor the pasta from the inside out. Don't worry, the pasta won't absorb all of it. 12. Breaking long pasta. This is a big no-no, especially in Italy. While it might seem convenient to break spaghetti to fit in a smaller pot, you're essentially ruining the experience. Long pasta is meant to be twirled and enjoyed. Besides, a bigger pot is the real solution, as we discussed earlier. 13. Not heating your sauce properly. Your sauce needs to be warm and ready to embrace the pasta. Don't add al dente pasta to a cold sauce. It will cool down the pasta and prevent proper melding of flavors. Think of it as a warm hug for your noodles. 14. Confusing al dente with raw. Fun fact, the term al dente originated in Italy and literally means to the tooth, referring to the slight resistance pasta should offer when bitten. It doesn't mean crunchy or raw. It means firm but yielding with a pleasant chew. This isn't just a preference, it's about the optimal texture and flavor. 15. Forgetting to enjoy the process. Cooking should be fun. Don't stress too much about every little detail. Learn from your mistakes, experiment, and most importantly, enjoy the delicious results of your efforts. So next time you reach for that box of pasta, remember these 15 game-changing tips. You'll be cooking up restaurant-worthy dishes in no time. What's your go-to pasta dish? And what was your biggest pasta cooking revelation from this video? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Juli Foodies Hub for more amazing cooking secrets.